Hello. I turned into a duck. What am I? What am I? If I said it wrong, comment please.
समय जे अपना और बॉय के रहिया है ये सब गाड़ी घुमाई तो नहीं हो जाते वो भी लिए के रहा
Now what am I? Look, what was I? I was a egg with legs. What was I? Yeah, blue, 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 babu. Quack, 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 quack. Let me show you my mama quack. Say
Quack.
hello.
Hello. I will eat the chicken.
Mama. She was just trying to bite herself. Abu babu 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 do 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 da. Am I a flying egg? No. Am I a flying bird? No. I'm a flying chicken. I'm flying right now. That's why my screen is black. Guys, please. This is a 3-minute long short. Please don't leave before the video ends. Blah, blah, blah. I'm an evil duck. That way I'm flying. But then I am a squished potato. No, a squished egg. If you like boiled eggs, that means you hate me, the world. Ducks. What am I? What am I? I won't help you. What am I? What am I? What am I? What am I? What am